Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. On the occasion of the examinations of emergency medicine, the meeting of the examiners of emergency medicine from Ireland and Pakistan was held at the Islamabad Regional Center of the College of Physician Surgeons, Pakistan. The Honorable Ambassador of Ireland, Her Excellency Mary O'Neill, graced the occasion as chief guest along with Surgeon General of Pakistan Army, Lieutenant General Arshad Naseem, and other eminent senior military officers. The distinguished guests included His Excellency Mohammad Mutahir Al-Ashabi, Ambassador of Yemen, His Excellency Maulvi Sardar Ahmad Shakib, Ambassador of Afghanistan, His Excellency Raza Amiri Moghadam, Ambassador of Iran, His Excellency Ahab Abdul Razak, Deputy Ambassador of Sudan, and His Excellency Ahmad Jawad A.A. Rabai, Ambassador of Palestine. Special guests were Major General Azhar Kiani, Advisor to the Chief Minister of Punjab on Health, Ministry of Foreign Affairs representatives Mr. Tahir Andarabi and Mr. Ilyas Mehmood Nizami, and the Special Assistant to the Prime Minister of Afghanistan, Mr. Muhammad Sadiq Khan, Vice Chancellor Tamir-e-Millat Professor Iqbal, and Principal Army Medical College General Suhail Amin, and senior doctors from both twin cities were also present. The meeting started with the recitation of verses from the Holy Quran by Professor Amir Zaman Khan, Director General Medical Education of CPSP, followed by Du'a Maghfirat for late Chaudhry Bashir Ahmad Gondal, the elder brother of Professor Khalid Masood Gondal, Senior Vice President of CPSP. CPSP President Professor Muhammad Shoaib Shafi welcomed the honorable delegates, diplomats, ambassadors, Surgeon General of Pakistan Army, and other distinguished guests. He updated the House about the CPSP achievements on the national and international level, with special emphasis on the specialty of emergency medicine and contribution of CPSP for development of this specialty with the collaboration and coordination of Health Services Executives of Ireland. He appreciated the Irish Council for Emergency Medicine for their support, especially Professor Ahmad Jamal and Dr. Neil. Senior Vice President of CPSP and Chairman International Affairs Committee, Professor Khalid Masood Gondal, briefed the House about the successful decade-long partnership between CPSP and Ireland's Health Service Executive. He shared that the collaboration began in 2008, with the first batch inducted in 2013. The CPSP completed 10 successful years and received the highest prize in collaboration with health service executives. He also mentioned that in the last meeting, Justice Minister Helly McKendy invited the CPSP delegates in the Parliament, and she appreciated the collaboration of CPSP in the success of postgraduate overseas scholarship scheme. Major General Mazhar Ishaq, Director International Relations CPSP, extended the vote of thanks, followed by the presentation of souvenirs to the honorable ambassadors, diplomats, and other notable guests. This graceful ceremony concluded with a grand dinner, reaffirming the commitment to strengthening global collaboration in the field of medical education. Thank you.